but don't worry, soon your winter break is about to begin. But yes, अभी तो कुछ classes हैं, so you have to attend them, as well as I'm going to share some homework with you all which you have to do. And one thing which I want to share is you have to do your work in a proper notebook, cover it beautifully, write your name, your class, your section, your admission number, everything, and then submit it. Okay? मम्मा पापा को बोलना वो मैम को स्कूल में देके जाएंगे. Understood that? But before that, let's begin with our today's classes. So can anyone tell me on Monday which is the first period we have? It's our English period. Yes. So you all have read it on the board also, isn't it? Now can anyone tell me what day I have written on the board? Monday. Yes. So today is 21st December 2020 and the day is Monday. What are we going to do today? I am going to teach you something about the use of a and n. But how to use it and where to use it, we have to first revise what we did in April month. मैम ने आपको अप्रैल में सिखाया था कुछ, उसको पहले एक रिवीजन लेना पड़ेगा. Then only you will able to understand our today's topic. Is that clear? Now, firstly tell me how many alphabets are there in the alphabetical series? Can anyone tell me how many alphabets are there? 26 alphabets. Yes. So I'll start writing in the corner here. So in total we have 26 alphabets. Isn't it? Now, out of these 26 alphabets, how many vowels are there? Yes, vowel sound, जिनके हमने अभी बहुत सारी sounds finish करी है. So you have to tell me how many vowel sounds are there? There are 5 vowel sounds. Yes. So I'll write 5 vowels. So which are those 5 vowels? Can you tell me वो 5 vowels कौन-कौन से हैं? They are A, E, I, O, U. So these are the 5 vowels और हमने इन्हीं 5 vowels की sounds करी हैं. I'll write them here also now. A, E, I, O, U. So ये हमारी क्या है 5 vowel sounds है, aren't they? अच्छा, अब हमारे पास 26 में से 5 vowels चले गए. These are the 5 vowel sounds. तो कितने alphabets बचे? How many alphabets are left there? Minus करिए, subtraction. Do your subtraction. I taught you now. So do it like this. 26 minus 5. कितना बचा? Tell me fast. 21. Yes, we are left with 21. तो ये जो 21 है, ये हमारे क्या है? Consonants. Consonant sound हो गई है हमारी, हमारी consonants हो गए. तो अब हमें क्या करना है? You remember I have taught you all these things that there are total 26 alphabets. Out of those 26, 5 are vowels and the rest of the 21 in alphabets के अलावा जितने भी alphabets हैं, those are referred as consonant sounds. उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Consonants. तो 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Total कितने हो गए? 26. Done. अब how our today's topic is related to with this, I'll tell you. Now, first what you have to do, you have to tell the name of all these pictures to me. जल्दी से आप मुझे इन pictures के name बताते जाइए and I'll start writing. उसके बाद I'll tell you how we have to correlate it with our today's topic. हम अपने आज के टॉपिक से फिर इसको correlate करेंगे. अभी तक जो मैम ने बताया वो ध्यान में रखना. 5 vowels कौन-कौन से हैं? A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels और इनके अलावा the rest of the alphabets जितने भी हैं हमारे पूरे सीरीज में, they are consonants. वो क्या है? all these pictures. Understood? Let's begin. So what is this? Can you tell me? Tree. Yes, very good. So I'll write that here. It's a tree. Done? Okay. What is this? Umbrella. Very good. So I'll write umbrella here. Okay, now what is this? Something which we use to cut down the wood. What's it? Axe. Very good. Now, can you tell me the name of this picture? Hurry up. So you are grown up and you all are familiar with these pictures. Tell me fast. What's it? It's a hat. Yes. So I'll write that here. Done. Now, next we have is, it's a ox sound word. What is it? Ox sound word है ये. Log. Yes, it's a log. Now, what is this? आप सभी पहनते हो ना? ये छोटे बच्चे पहनते हैं इसको. What is it? Cap. Very nice. And lastly, I have one more picture. We all love playing with it. Ball. Now class, it's time to understand ahead. अब हम इन दोनों चीजों को जोड़ेंगे, correlate करेंगे, and you will come to know what we are going to do in this topic today. अब हमें क्या करना है? See, we have written the name of all the objects that are drawn here on board. Now you have to check the first alphabet of every picture. हर पिक्चर का फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट देखना है. The beginning sound जिसको हम कहते हैं. Clear? अब क्या है? Beginning sound, for example, which is the first alphabet, or you can say the beginning sound. This is the one. So what we will do? I'll put a line here. Now over here, what is the beginning sound? L. L. Alphabet is L and the sound is L. Now here, which alphabet is the beginning one? U. Can you tell me which is the beginning alphabet? C. A. Then we have B and H. So what are these? The beginning alphabets. ठीक है? अब हमें जो भी पिक्चर दी होती है या कोई वर्ड दिया होता है, you have to see the beginning alphabet. अगर beginning alphabet, if, now listen carefully please, this is the main point. If the beginning alphabet, जो starting का first alphabet है, that is a vowel. So which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. If that is a vowel, then you have to write and with it. अगर वो इनमें से है तो हमें क्या लिखना है? And लिखना है. Because A, E, I, O, U, इनके साथ अगर ये साउंड आ रही है तो इन साउंड्स के साथ, इन अल्फाबेट्स के साथ आपको हमेशा and यूज करना है. Just keep it in your mind. If it is beginning from these alphabets, you have to write and. और अगर consonants हैं, ये वाले alphabets नहीं हैं, consonants हैं जो बाकी के 21 alphabets हैं, वो हैं, तो what you are going to use? You are going to use A with it. Consonants के साथ क्या use होगा? A. और ये वाले जो 5 vowels हैं, इनके साथ आप use करेंगे and. Is that clear to everyone? So I'll write here also. So vowels के साथ and use हो रहा है और consonants के साथ आप A use करेंगे. Is that clear? You have to be very careful. अब देखना है हमें आगे का वर्क कैसे करना है. Now I have written the name of these pictures, isn't it? What you will do? You will start telling it. Tele करना है कैसे? Tele मतलब Is that clear to everyone? Now see here. Tree. So which is the first alphabet? T. अब T consonant है या vowel है? Tell me first. T is a consonant. Yes. तो अब हम क्या लिखेंगे? We will write a tree. What you are going to write? A tree. Clear हो गया? Okay. Now here we have U. Now tell me U क्या है? Is it a vowel or a consonant? Just calculate which are the. Just try to revise which are the 5 vowels we have. A, E, I, O, U. So these are the 5 vowels. So U is a vowel sound. हमने अभी बोला उसको. So what you are going to use with vowel? An. So we say an umbrella. Clear? What you are going to say? An umbrella. Is that clear? Now here we have long. So the beginning alphabet or the beginning sound is L. L. Long. L. So L is a consonant or a vowel? What do you refer L as? A consonant or a vowel? What it is? It's a consonant. Yes, because vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So L is not a vowel, it's a consonant. तो consonant है तो what you are going to use? A. Yes. So it's a long. A long नहीं बोलते, हमेशा बोलते हैं a long. Understood? A long. A tree. An umbrella. Now tell me this. What alphabet is this? C. C is a consonant or a vowel? C is a consonant because vowel तो हमें पता ही है 5 again A, E, I, O, U. तो C तो आया ही नहीं. So what we are going to write? A cap here. A. So the word which one we are going to write? A. And नहीं आएगा. Clear? जब भी आपको कोई भी पिक्चर दिया है, first write the name of that picture जैसे हमने किया. After writing the name, you have to see whether the first alphabet is a vowel or not. As here, यहाँ पे vowel है because it's A. A तो vowel sound होता है तो what we are going to write here? An X. An X. समझ में आया? An X. तो this is the one basic rule जो आपको अपने you have to memorize it. अपने आप को अच्छे से learn कराना है कि if it is vowel you have to use an. सिर्फ उन 5 letters के साथ अगर beginning के वो alphabet में इन 5 में से कोई है you have to use an. But if it is not वो बाकी के 21 alphabets में से है you have to use a. Is that clear to all? Next we have is ball. So now tell me a ball या an ball? आप खुद से देखिए a ball और an ball क्या लिखना है मैम को? I will write a ball because B is not a vowel. So I will write a ball. Clear? Hat. A hat or an hat? क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे हमें? What should I write? A hat or an hat? Tell me H is a vowel or a consonant? It's a consonant. So we are going to write a with it. A hat. Like this. Understood? तो जो भी पहला अल्फाबेट है that is only going to tell you. See आपको कुछ याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है सिवाय इसके 5 vowels and consonants A. बस इतना याद रखना है. Otherwise the word itself, the letter itself will tell you कि an आना है या A आना है. If it is a consonant A आएगा. If it is a vowel you have to use an. और vowel सिर्फ 5 है तो इन 5 alphabets के साथ आपको क्या यूज करना है? An. A, E, I, O, U इनके साथ an यूज करेंगे और जो बाकी के 21 consonants हैं उनके साथ आप A यूज करेंगे. Is that clear? Properly? Okay. Now we have some book exercise और उस book में ये rule mention है which we are going to read. Now you all can do the reading work. So we are going to read that rule also, and you have to learn that rule also. Clear? So let's move towards the book work and understand how we are going to do it in the book. So please open your phonic book. So I'll show you which one. This book, your phonic book, on page number 73. So वहाँ पे और बहुत सारे examples दिए हुए हैं which we can do. So book page number 73 and 74. So these are the two pages which we are going to do today. Clear? Open your book and then I'll tell you how to do this work. So class, now let's see how we are going to do the work in book today. So can you see the topic here? A and an. So this one is for worksheet 1 written. Okay, don't worry about this one. So the topic is A and an. So this you are going to find on page number 73. Clear? So the first thing that we are going to do is write today's date. That is 21 December 2020. Understood? And please mention classwork as well. Now, as I told you, there is a rule written here. First, we are going to read it, understand it, and you have to learn this also. So, what it is written here? When a word begins with a vowel sound. As I told you, अब ये जो वॉवल है इसके साथ हम यहाँ लिख लेंगे A, E, I, O, U. So these are the 5 vowels we have. So for your reference you can write it like this. When a word begins with a vowel sound, we use an. See, an is written here before it. We use a before word that begins with the sound of other letters. Now see and understand, when it is beginning with vowel, you have to use an, but when it is the sound of other letters, you have to use a with it. Is that clear to all? There are few examples given here. Now see. An orange, because O is a vowel sound, we have written it here. Then a tree, T. T is not a vowel sound, so we have used A with it. Then we have an igloo, again I देखिए vowel है हमारा, so we have used an with it. We have a cat, so C is the first alphabet. तो जो beginning है वो C है, but C is not a consonant. Sorry, C is not a vowel, it's a consonant. So we have used A with it. Understood everyone? Now next is, let's move towards the exercise. Write A or an before each word. Now see, some pictures are given here. Can you see them all? Some pictures are given. In pictures के name भी लिखे हैं. So whenever it is given only picture, first write the name, then only you will able to do. And if it is given together, let's begin. Now the word given is cap. So which is the first alphabet? C. Now tell me what you are going to use, A or an? क्या use करेंगे? We'll use a cap. A cap. Understood? Now we have ant. The first alphabet is A. Now tell me what you are going to use with A. Yes, read the rule once again. A is a vowel sound, so we are going to use an with it. So let's write an. Next we have bib. It's a bib, the one which we use for small babies. So the first alphabet is B. अब बी के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? फर्स्ट टेल मी, बी इज अ वॉवल और अ कॉन्सोनेंट? व्हाट इट इज? इट्स अ कॉन्सोनेंट. So when it is a consonant, what you are going to use? A or an? A. So it's a bib. Now we have elephant. The first alphabet is E. So what is E? E is a consonant or a vowel? This is how you can do easily. E is a consonant or a vowel? It's a vowel. So we are going to write an. अंडरस्टूड? ऐसे करना है आपको, सिर्फ फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट को देखना है एंड यू हैव टू टेल वेदर इट्स अ कॉन्सोनेंट और अ वॉवल. कॉन्सोनेंट है तो ए यूज करेंगे, वॉवल साउंड है तो एन यूज करेंगे. नाउ वी हैव अम्ब्रेला. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट? एन अम्ब्रेला बिकॉज यू इज अ वॉवल साउंड. बेड, बी, अगेन बी इज अ कॉन्सोनेंट वी हैव डन, सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट ए. Ice cream. So it's beginning with I. Now tell me, I is a consonant or a vowel? It's a vowel. So we'll write an like this. Now last we have box. Again B. So B is a consonant. So we are going to write A. Understood? This is how you are going to do your today's classwork. Now let's proceed towards homework. So when you will open your page 74 like this here one, you will find another worksheet for A and an. So A and an 2, as I told you, it's worksheet number. So write down the date 21 December 2020 and mention HW. So this is your homework. Fill in the blanks with A or an. तो अब आपको यहाँ पे 2 ब्लैंक्स दिए हुए हैं. सो यू हैव टू सी कि ब्लैंक के बाद जो वर्ड है उसका फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट क्या है एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू आर गोइंग टू राइट ए और एन इन इट. क्लियर? आई होप इट्स ऑल क्लियर. योर क्लास वर्क एंड होमवर्क बोथ. सो 73 इज योर क्लास वर्क एंड पेज नंबर 74 योर होमवर्क. So class, I hope you have understood what we have learnt today. Today we have understood the use of a and an with a given word or object. कि अगर आपको कोई भी word या object दिया है उसके साथ आप an use करोगे या a use करोगे. Clear? Now repeat it. Let's have a quick revision here. Which is the alphabet we are going to use an with? And किस-किसके साथ use करेंगे? Tell me the alphabets. A, E, very good. I, O, U, very good. Clap for yourself. So we are going to use an with these 5 alphabets. A, E, I, O, U. और इन 5 अल्फाबेट्स के अलावा जितने भी अल्फाबेट्स हैं हमारे रेस्ट ऑफ दोस 21 कॉन्सोनेंट्स यू आर गोइंग टू यूज ए. क्लियर? सो दिस इज वन रूल यू हैव टू मेमोराइज. जो अभी हमने बुक में रीड करा है यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, यू हैव टू मेमोराइज इट एंड आफ्टर दैट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज जस्ट लाइक अ गेम फॉर यू. Read the first alphabet, understand whether it's a consonant or a vowel and use A or an accordingly.